Step 3, evaluation. This is the tough part. This is the part where we now ask ourselves, where am I headed? And so we ask you to start thinking about some questions. What has stood out to you so far in this process? What have you learned about yourself? What surprised you? We encourage you to look back into your notes and to look back on any notes on some thoughts or things that surprised you in this process. Also, make sure to utilize some evaluation tools that'll help you in the evaluation process. These tools could consist of a pro-con list, making a rubric, and more. SCTCC also has career advisors ready to meet with you to talk about your evaluation process. If you're a prospective student, we encourage you to make an appointment with the Career Services. And if you're a current student, make an appointment over Starfish with the Academic Advising Center, and there'll be someone there to help you and talk with you through this process. Now for some tips. If you have a family member or a close friend that's willing to talk about this with you, we definitely encourage talking to them. Sometimes our family members and close friends know us the best, and so really talking with them, they'll be able to provide better insight and advice on what perhaps you should think about in your evaluation process. Also, by talking about your actual thoughts in this process so far, sometimes that helps formulate a decision in your mind that you didn't really realize was actually there. So with that, good luck.